Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now it's been a little while since we've done a sort of campervan workshop tour, so today's the perfect opportunity to show you what we're working on just now, all the vans that are in our workshop. I'll show you some of the different conversion layouts that we're currently working on, and you can really get a feel for what's happening here at Jerba Campervans this week. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy. We've got two really exciting new features here in the workshop, and the first one is Rob, new guy, give us a wave. And he's currently working on our brand new ramp system that we've had installed yesterday. So we've now got two ramps here at Jerba. And the reason for that is because the T6.1 that we now work on has a different sort of panel system underneath the van. On a standard two-post ramp, it can be quite difficult to get in and get these panels off. So it was the perfect time to expand our capabilities here, get the big four-poster, which is actually movable. We can move it around the workshop if we want. It's got a unique little design. This also lets us work on sort of bigger vehicles like crafters, sprinters, any of that kind of thing, should we ever need to. And it also lets us get the panels off your T6.1 van in a sort of efficient way, so we don't have to roll about on the floor. It just makes it a lot less tricky. So Rob is the newest member here at Jerba Campervans, and he's going to just quickly tell us what it is he's going to be doing here at Jerba, and a little introduction because you'll probably see him here on the channel from time to time.
Hey, I'm Rob here at Jerba Campervans. My job is to conversion fit campervans. So as an apprentice here at Jerba Campervans, I'm being trained to fit out all of the vans from anything electrical, from the fuse boxes to connections with the vehicle battery, to your lights, to the Wallace hob or Webasto hob, and numerous other things within the vehicle.
Nice. Dave, who you might remember from our Making Toast video, is currently cleaning this van. It's a Sana, and it's quite an unusual Sana. It's got red leather seats. They look really, really nice, so I'll take you in and we'll have a quick look around that. So this van was initially built to be a Jerba Sana demo van, but we've actually sold it, so that'll be going out sort of early next year. But we're just doing the finishing touches inside. And it's a really nice van. It's driftwood furniture with a punternil at the top, quite a popular sort of combination. It's a Sana layout, so that means it's got rear elevation roof, kitchen in the rear, and it's got a fixed toilet in the back. And like I said before, this one's been trimmed by our sort of trim partner in leather. It's red leather. Now we do a whole range of leathers, so you could have, you know, blue seats, red seats, or a combination of both. It's really quite a nice way to make your van unique. So I mentioned that this van had the toilet in the back, so I just thought it was worth coming around and showing you that before we head up and see what Ian and Nathan, our joiners, are up to. So you can see we've got the fixed Porta Potty in the back, and I'll just show you how that all folds away. So you just pop it up, pop the lid down, and there you have it. We'll go see what the joiners are doing next and see what vans are being built up there. So Nathan's currently doing some work on this T6.1, and he's going to tell us a few bits about what he's building, where he's at in the process, and what kind of camper van this is going to be.
Hi, my name's Nathan, and I'm one of the carpenters here at Jerba Campervans. So today I've got for you a Tyree with a 129 seat in mainly driftwood with Terrano tops. Very popular layout with most of our customers. So right now in its process, I'm just putting in the main pieces, like your top box, your wardrobe, your long panel, and your top locker. So I'm going to be installing the fridge, and since this is getting a gas, you'll be expected to have a drawer. And so that'll you can put your cutlery in and all sorts of stuff. Then after that, when it goes on to the ramps for the seat to be screwed in, and your water pump and your other bits and bobs. So it's going along very smoothly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, so see you next time.
So the next van that Nathan will be working on will be our Coromary Demo van. Now, don't know if you can see it, but just down the way there was our original Coromary Demo van built on a T6. But what actually ended up happening was that we built the demo van, Somebody then liked it so much that they decided to purchase it. So we've now got our T6.1 Coromary Demo van, and this one will become the rental van for next year and not that one like I previously said. So you can see that this is now just an empty van, and it's in their new red colour, which is really, really nice. And this is probably going to go through to the schedule area over the next couple of days, where the guys will strip it out, cut the holes for the roof, all those important bits ahead of the conversion. And once they've done all that foundational work, it'll come back through here. Nathan will pick it up, cut his furniture and start fitting out just like the van that we saw him doing just earlier. So yeah, it's very nice, nice colour. And yeah, if you're interested in rental, this might be the one you might take out next year. So Ian's currently building our Tyree rental for next year, and this will be the van that you'll be able to try before you buy. So if you want to take it away for a week, try the layout, see what the small wheelbase van feels like, this will be the one that you'll take. And with our try before you buy, if you do place an order with Jerba, we will give you the amount back that you pay for the try before you buy. So it's a nice little incentive to kind of try out a layout that you think you might like, just to make sure it's right for you. And Ian's currently working on the long panel, so we're going to jump onto his bench and he's going to tell us a little bit about what he's doing today.
This week I'm doing a bulk of the furniture for the Tyree. At the moment I'm on a big cupboard that goes along the side. I've already routed out the door in this little cupboard here. Put the knock-on trim on, give it a nice edge. And this will be the door here, which will go on with a nice little chrome handle. Cooker at that end, wardrobe at this end. Look lovely. It'll look lovely. All the units are getting done in Turano. This is Turano, this style here. Very nice, very fresh looking. That'll be all the cupboards and wardrobes in that. But the worktops and the tables are getting done in Puntanella, which is quite a nice match. Nice match, look really good. The furniture for this van, I've started already, but start to finish, all handmade of course, 7 days and get it fully kitted out, from empty van to fully furnished. I've started this one already, but at the same time I've also got another van here prepared in driftwood. Everything's done already on this, all the cupboard doors are in, top lockers, everything done. That's already just to get fitted in for the customer. All in driftwood.
Nice. Vince here is currently scheduling this new T6.1. So he's at the part where he's cut the roof out and he's now grinding off all the metal from the inside that we don't use, that kind of gets in the way of our roof strengthening frame. He'll then fit our big steel roof strengthening frame just so your camper van's perfectly safe, and then get the roof on top of that. This van will be finished sometime at the end of this week, so in a couple of days it'll be taken through next door and the guys will start building the furniture. So it's all sort of happening through here, and you can see that we've got 3 red T6.1s. Seems to be a really popular colour, and it's actually really, really nice too. So middle van is getting some windows fitted at the moment. We've got an external window fitting service. Guy comes in and he does all that for us. And we've got Gareth down the bottom who's starting the schedule on another T6.1. So that'll be stripped out and it'll be ready for all the work that Vince is doing. So cutting the holes, doing the grinding, getting the strengthening frames fitted. And then of course Vince will be finishing up this van. He's got to insulate it, carpet it, put the floor in and do a few of those bits and bobs. But yeah, so it's super busy in here, lots happening, and it's exciting to see loads of T6.1s finally in our workshop. Another busy week here at Jerba Campervans with lots happening. You can see we've got about 10 vans on the go just now, which is fantastic. It's super, super busy. Everyone's getting really excited about getting camping out in the camper vans for next summer. So a lot of the orders that we've been taking are for next summer, and our order book's full till about the end of next September. So if you book today, we would start producing your van for sort of the start of October next year, which just shows you how excited people are for the T6.1 and just for camper vanning in general. I think the whole idea of a staycation has really made the camper van market explode, and so many people are exploring it as a new adventure. It's such a fantastic way to see the Highlands in Scotland and all the nice parts in England. So yeah, Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll try and give you more videos like this, show you what's happening in the workshop, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.